Hands are getting heavy, heavy, heavy. Let's get it done! Okay, these are my 2 bottle gourds. Alright, so what you have to do is to cut the edges. So quickly, let's peel off our Lauki. Okay, so we are done with peeling off our Lauki. Once done with peeling off the Lauki, what you have to do is to make sure it is well washed, okay? So let's get it washed. And let's cut that into pieces. We're going to grate it. Alright, so now let's grate it. Need to strain this, okay? So we're gonna strain the water out of the Lauki. Okay, you can see it's very, very watery. So we don't need the water for now. We're gonna strain our Lauki. Put it in the strainer. Now. Alright, so we have our water drained. Okay, this is our water. We are not going to throw our water away. We're gonna be using it for our gravy. Alright, so now we're gonna spread it out. 1 teaspoon of turmeric inside. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So half a teaspoon of cumin, okay, also inside. Half tablespoon of red chili, okay, also inside here. This is 2 chopped green chili also in here. Okay. We're gonna be using all-purpose flour. Normally people go with chickpea flour. 1 teaspoon of salt also in here. We add some of our chopped coriander leaves also in here. Then 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Now let's add everything together. Well, people normally use gloves, but then it depends on you. You can choose to use gloves. Okay. You can see we are not getting the binding as part of it. So what you have to do is to add a little bit of the flour into it. So finally, this is our Lauki. Then we're going to fry it. We're going to fry it in a low medium heat. We're going to fry this for about 5 minutes because it has to turn golden brown. So gently flip them over. For me, what I normally do, because we still have some of them, I'm just gonna put them inside here, right, and on the side. Okay, so there we have tomatoes, garlic, and an onion. Okay. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so now let's go on with red chili. Half a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Just a quarter of magic cube also in here. Some black pepper. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Blended tomatoes. Let's cover it and let it fry for about 4 minutes. You can make the gravy the way you want it, okay? Some garlic powder, cinnamon. Yeah, it looks very nice. Alright, so the kind of gravy you make depends on you. You can make different style of gravy, okay? Well, just look at it. Look at it. Let's add some chickpea flour. It makes it very, very delicious. Now you can choose to add water, but I'll prefer using the drain water that you drain from the Lauki, okay? So kind of 2 cups of drain water. And then about 1 cup of water. One teaspoon of salt. Some coriander leaves. Leave it on to cook for about 4 minutes and then we'll be done. Wow! We have the oil separated from the gravy, okay? So we're gonna add our then we're gonna add our green chili. 2 green chili inside, okay? I have green chili in here finally. Finally we have our Lauki Kofta recipe. Not African style, you can see that. It's that, right? Just look at it. 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 We gotta have a bite, a taste of our food. Yes, 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 yes. Are you gonna love it? Sure. Coming, man.
It's very, very, very nice.
How are you guys liking it?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
You're really enjoying it, right?
Really, really enjoying it.
Alright, viewers.
Let me show you. I remember the taste no far. The same thing.
I remember the taste no far.